The day that the second suspect in the murder of teacher and blogger Albert Ojwang is currently on the docks, and that is where we begin our live coverage. My name is Ben Troy Njue. Let's first of all cross over straight to Milimani Law Court and have a feel of what is currently happening.
In the application that has been made before you, and that is why my questions are aimed at eliciting some of these facts based on the evidence that is going to present before you. So, Your Honor, I plead with humility that counsel, my colleague, I even suppose he's my senior. My senior should just
I'm not
be
your senior.
kind enough to
I'm not your
respond.
senior.
Yes, looks are deceitful, but...
Your Honor. Yes. Your Honor.
You cannot argue with the following.
No. Order. Chair.
You cannot argue. Chair.
Let me say this. Let me say this for the record. No, let me say it for the record. And Your Honor, protect me. The counsel who is on the floor asking questions should only answer. Learned senior should stop pointing at me. You will have your time to ask me questions if you require. The second, Your Honor, the second point I'm making here is that anything outside this affidavit, whether our chair it's not within my knowledge, and please stop asking me. Anything outside this, I'm not ready to answer. It's not within my knowledge, and believe.
What is the basis of what happened to your ruling?
And after all, Your Honor, the application we are making is about an extension of continued detention of the suspect. It's not about what happened on the backyard. What you are pointing is bad faith.
You're just give us a minute. 1 minute. No, we don't need a break. I think
No, we don't need a break. We don't need a break.
just 1 minute.
That is what they want, you know. I cannot share what away, of course.
That has been live pictures from the Milimani Law Court, where the Central Police Station OCS Samson Talam is having his day in court, being charged with murder, and the lawyers there arguing the case. What do we know so far? What we know is that the Central Police officer was supposed, the Central Police Station officer, that is the OCS, is being charged officially with murder. We do also expect the CS Interior Kipchumba Murkomen to be making a statement in regards to that from Harambee House, and as soon as we have that, we'll be crossing over a little bit later. And also Ruth Wamboi is currently on that beat. Remember, Samson Talam being the second suspect to be charged in the brutal murder of blogger and teacher Ojwang. And still on this murder, former Chief Justice David Maraga claims a conflicting account of events given by the police force on the death of blogger Albert Ojwang leaves a lot to be desired. Maraga says the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Eliud Lagat, should tell Kenyans what he knows about the murder. Speaking at Vigilance House in Nairobi, Maraga further called for the prosecution of the Director of Criminal Investigations, whom he is accusing of allegedly giving misleading information on the murder. The former Chief Justice has vowed to join the push for private prosecution against parties should the government fail to take action against them.
It is now evident that the Director of Criminal Investigations, the Inspector General himself of the National Police Service, and the Deputy Inspector General, Mr. Eliud Langati, are among and many other leaders blatantly lied on oath on the brutal killing of Albert Ojwang.
We're keeping tabs on that bit, and as soon as we get any information regarding